Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class and we have started with a new chapter, that is chapter number 14, sides and directions. Now children, in this chapter I have seen that you were facing some problems. There were some queries also that the chapter was not clear, or you were facing some problems regarding this chapter. Sides and directions were confusing to you all. Okay, so today I am going to first again explain you this chapter in details, and then after that we will complete our book exercise which was left last time. Okay, when we have done two exercises, book exercises, we have left one book exercise, so we will complete it today. But before completing that book exercise, I will make you understand this chapter once again. So for that children, you have to take out your Nature Learner EVS book. Okay, take out your book and turn to page number 92. Chapter number 14, as you can see, sides and directions. Now children, in this chapter we are going to study about sides and directions, and you all know that there are 4 sides and there are 4 directions. Okay, 4 sides are front, back, right and left. Okay, and 4 directions are east, west, north and south. अगर आपको कोई पूछेगा कि कितने साइड्स होते हैं तो आप 4 साइड्स के नाम बताओगे. कौन से? फ्रंट, बैक, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. दीज आर ऑल साइड्स. एंड अगर आपसे कोई डायरेक्शंस पूछेगा तो आप कौन से डायरेक्शंस बताओगे? ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू ऑल चिल्ड्रन? नाउ coming to the sides part, you often ask your parents where your pencil box is. As you all know children, whatever you ask or whatever you want to ask your parents about your things, how they explain you that where is it. If you ask your mother that mother where is my pencil box, so what does she say? That it is in front of you. Yeah, it is at the right side of your at the right side. Okay, these are all directions, sides. Okay, so there are 4 sides: front, back, right and left. Now in this picture, with this picture you can understand it very clearly. The topic of sides you can understand very clearly. Look at this picture, understand from this picture. So please, for that children, listen to this video very carefully. Now in this picture, as you can see, there is a girl standing in the middle and her face, we can see her back side. Okay, and her face is on the other side. We cannot see her face. हमें उसका face नहीं दिखाई दे रहा, हमें उसका back side दिखाई दे रहा है. Now this girl is stretching her arms. Okay, this is her right hand and this is her left hand. Now her face is facing the front. Where our face is facing, that is our front. Okay, जहाँ पे हमारा चेहरा होता है वो उस साइड को हम फ्रंट साइड बोलेंगे, और जो हमारा बैक साइड होगा उसको हम बैक साइड बोलेंगे. ओके, तो this girl is showing us a back. That means this is her back side and the face side is her front side. Okay, now this is her right side and this is her left side. As you can see, television is in front of this girl, table is at the right side of this girl, chair is at the left side of this girl, and the radio is back side of this girl. Okay, all these 4 sides are in opposite sides. Like front, then back will be here, right is here, then left will be here. Okay, so this is the concept of sides, 4 sides. Okay, again I am repeating children. The television is in front of this girl. Television girl के सामने है, रेडियो गर्ल के बैक में है, पीछे है, टेबल गर्ल के राइट साइड में है और चेयर गर्ल के लेफ्ट साइड में. Is that clear? As you can see here, the girl has a television in front of her, she has a radio at her back, she has a table at her right and she has a chair at her left. Is that clear? If you know the sides, you can easily find anything in your room or classroom. Now children, if you know about the sites, if you know clearly the concept of sites, then you can find anything in your room or anywhere, in your classroom, in your own room, or in your city, anywhere you can find your things, if anything, if you know the correct concept of sites. Okay, now coming to directions. Now children, what are directions? There are 4 directions, as you all know. Now what are those 4 directions? Name them. East, west, north and south. Okay, so ईस्ट कौन सा डायरेक्शन है? जहां से सन सुबह सुबह राइज करता है. ओके, द राइजिंग सन हेल्प्स अस टू फाइंड आउट डायरेक्शंस. सन का राइजिंग टाइम जब होता है तो उससे हमें पता चलता है कि हमारा ईस्ट कौन सा है और बाकी के डायरेक्शंस कौन से हैं. एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन सनराइज. ओके, नाउ द सन राइजेज इन द मॉर्निंग इन द ईस्ट. यू ऑल नो दैट कि सन जो है सुबह सुबह मॉर्निंग में जब निकलता है तो कौन से डायरेक्शन से निकलता है? ईस्ट से. द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट और उसका ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन वेस्ट होता है, जहां पे वो शाम को जाके ढक जाता है, ढल जाता है. ओके, सेट हो जाता है. So the words east and west are names of directions. There are 4 main directions. These are east, west, north and south. Okay. Now how to find out the directions? As you all have understood the concept of sides from that picture. Now from this picture you can understand the concept of directions also. Again in this for directions we have the same concept. Okay, your face side will be facing the front and your back side will be the west side, that will be your back. And when you will stretch your arms, so your right side will be your south and your left side will be your north. Okay, so facing in front of the sun. जब सन आपके फेस के सामने से उग रहा है सुबह मॉर्निंग में, तो दैट मीन्स दैट इज योर ईस्ट डायरेक्शन. Okay, that is the east direction. Now when the sun sets in the evening, then it is your west direction. Clear? And anything which is kept at the left side, then you can say like this bird. As you can see this bird, so this bird is in the south direction of this boy. This house is in the north direction of this boy. Okay, जब आपके फेस के सामने वाला डायरेक्शन ईस्ट है तो आपके बैक वाला डायरेक्शन वेस्ट है, आपके राइट हैंड वाला डायरेक्शन साउथ है और आपके लेफ्ट हैंड वाला डायरेक्शन नॉर्थ है. क्लियर टू यू ऑल चिल्ड्रन? नाउ यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर, योर फेस इज टुवर्ड्स द ईस्ट, योर बैक इज टुवर्ड्स द वेस्ट, योर राइट आर्म पॉइंट्स टुवर्ड्स द साउथ, योर लेफ्ट आर्म पॉइंट्स टुवर्ड्स द north. Is it clear? This is what I told you. Now the knowledge of directions helps us to locate things in a neighborhood, town or city. अगर हमारा knowledge clear है, बिल्कुल concept clear है directions का, तो हम अपने neighborhood में या town में या city में बहुत आसानी से चीज़ों को directions को locate कर सकते हैं. Is that clear to you all? So that was all in this chapter children. Now coming to the next page 94. There are some recap points. You can just learn them. There are 4 sides, front, back, right and left. There are 4 directions, north, south, east and west. The sun helps us to find out direction. Sun के help से हम directions find कर सकते हैं, because sun जहाँ से rise करता है वहाँ पे east होता है. Is that clear? Now, as you all know, we have completed our book exercise A and B. Again I am repeating. Take the correct answer. How many sides are there in all? 2, 3 or 4? So the correct answer was 4. There are 4 sides. Okay. How many directions are there in all? 2, 3 or 4? Now directions are also 4. Sides and directions both are 4. So correct answer is 4. We will put a tick in front of 4. Now in which direction does the sun rise? Sun rises from east, west or north? कहाँ से rise करता है? East. So the correct answer is east. We will put a tick in front of east. Is that clear? So these answers are, I hope you have completed in your books. Now coming to the B part, look at these things, write true or false. We have done last time we have done true false also, children. So I hope you have completed, but I will explain you again. In this there are 4 pictures given and a direction is also given with red arrows. Okay, east is this side, west is this side, south is this side, and north is this side. Okay, in the east direction we can find the book, in the west direction we have the bag, in the north direction we have the pen, and in the south direction we have the water bottle. Okay, now we have to read these sentences and then we have to see that if it is true or it is false. So the first sentence is the bag is in the west. So please check where the bag is. Bag is here. Is it in the west direction? Yes, it is in the west direction because W is written here. So this sentence is true. We will write true. The water bottle is in the north. As you can see, the water bottle is here, but it is in the south direction. It is not in the north. So it is false. The book is in the east. We will see the book. Where is it? Where it is? It is in the east direction. E is written here. So that is true. And the pen is in the south. We will check. Where is the pen given? It is here and it is written N for north. So this sentence is wrong. It is false because pen is in north and in south there is water bottle. So this is false. Okay. So we will write false. Now coming to the next page, exercise C, which we have not done. Now today we are going to do this exercise. In this exercise, children, what you have to do? Put these things in the correct sides of the boy. Now, there are 4 things given. One is A is bat, B is ball, C is phone, telephone, and D is jar. Okay, jar or jug you can say. Now, there are some points given and in the and after these points below there is a drawing of a boy. Okay, there is a picture of a boy and he is facing towards number 2. Okay, so this is his front side and 3 number box is his back side. 4 number box is the right side and 1 number box is left side. Is that clear? This is, as we for your convenience, you can write F in front of his face to see the front direction. At the back you can write here you can write B for back. Okay, here you can write R for right and here you can write L for left. Okay, so this is front, back, right and left. Okay, now in first point it is given the bat is in front of him. Okay, the bat is in front of him. So this is a bat. We have to make this bat in front of him. Okay, so I am not making a bat. Okay, you will draw, but I am not drawing. I am just writing. So it will come here as this is the front side. Second point is the ball at his back. Ball कहाँ पे है? उसके back पे. तो back कहाँ है? ये रहा 3 number box. So here we will write ball. B-A-L-L ball. Okay. Then the telephone at his right. Here the right side is here. So we will draw telephone here. I am writing. You can draw a telephone here. Okay. Then next is last point, the jug at his left. So left side is this first number box. So here we can write jug. Okay. I am writing the spellings, but you have to draw. As it is written, draw the pictures in the boxes. So you have to see the pictures from here and you will draw these pictures here. Okay. So I hope you have understood the correct concept of sides and directions, children. Please make sure that you will watch this video very carefully and then after that you will read the chapter twice or thrice and then you will complete all your book exercises. Is that clear? So till my next video, children, I want you all to complete these 3 exercises in your books and make sure that you understand the chapter very clearly, and then from tomorrow we will start with a written work of this chapter in our notebooks. Okay, so till then, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.